Good morning, guys. Second paper, law paper for the foundation. The maximum students thought like that. Second paper is very tough paper. We can't get you more marks. They thought like that. But it's not correct. If you focus on law and BCR, law for 60 marks, BCR for 40 marks. If you pay the concentration on BCR, definitely you will get the good marks in second paper. If you take the law, first chapter, the Indian Contract Act 1872, it contains 25 to 35% of weightage from that chapter. If you take the second chapter, the Sales of Goods Act 1930, from this chapter, we can expect 20 to 25% of the weightage. Third chapter, the Indian Partnership Act 1932. From this chapter, we can expect from 20 to 25% weightage of the marks. If you take the fourth chapter, the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, 5% to 10%. Last chapter, the Companies Act 2013, from 15 to 20% of weightage from this chapter. If you read based on this weightage chapters, you will get easily 40 to 50 marks from second paper from law subject. If we take the section B for 40 marks, that is BCR, business, correspondence and reporting. If you want to get you more marks in law paper, that means second paper, first you have to start BCR subject. Because if you follow the formats, if you know the grammar, you can complete the BCR exam within 40 minutes. It is very limited period. And the remaining time, you can spend your law subject. If you start the first law subject, it will take the more time. And finally, time is not enough for the BCR exam. If you write the first BCR exam, definitely you will get the 30 plus marks. Then you will start the law exam. Then you will get the 40 marks. If you take the BCR subject, first chapter, communication, from this chapter, we can expect 10 to 15% of weightage. And second chapter and third chapter, sentences and vocabulary, you can expect 20% to 30%. Fourth and fifth chapter, comprehension passages and note making, from this chapter, we can expect 20 to 30%. Next, remaining 7th chapter, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. All these chapters based on only writing skills. From this writing skills chapter, we can expect 35% to 40%. So in BCR, we need not afford very much of time. Just if you pay the concentration on the formats of the writing skills, definitely you will get 30 marks easily. Then remaining 20, either 25 marks, if you try from the law paper, definitely you will get the easy pass mark. Don't bother about that. What are the formats in BCR? How can we answer the BCR questions? So all these things I can explain and further. Thank you for this. Thank you all of you.